Hi everyone, thanks for stumbling onto this channel. I'm going to show you 7 things that I believe every woman should have in her handbag. These 7 things I always have in all my handbags, and I've got them compact enough that they fit in any kind of size of bag, whether it's my big Speedy 30 that just holds a ton of stuff, or this little medium flap Chanel that does not hold very much stuff inside. So let's just jump right into it. A bag holder. So when you're out and about, you can either put the bag like behind you on the seat, or if there's an extra chair, you could put it there. Most of the time you are going to need a bag holder. Now there's different types of bag holders. I have 3 to show you today. This one's almost like a bracelet. And it goes on the edge of the table and it just holds your bag. Voila. There are these kind of bag holders, and I believe I even got this one like at the Dollar Tree. And the butterfly moves. You hook your bag and it fits on the table. The one that I use most is in this little pouch. This came in a packet of 3, I believe, from Amazon. They roll right up. They're all magnetized. Very compact, thin. Sometimes bags or the table at different restaurants are thick, or they're rounded, and so different types will hold it better. So those are my 3, but I carry one in every time I have a bag. There is a bag holder. You should have in your bag is cash. Whether it's folded up, shoved in a little compartment in the side of the bag, inside the bag, in your wallet, something. You never know when the power's out, or someone doesn't take your card, or your card was stolen, or let's just say that you need to leave where you are and you got to get yourself home. It's always best to have some cash with you. So I always carry some money. This one happens to be $45. It's usually about $55 that I carry, and I have hidden somewhere in my purse, or like I said, in a compartment in the small wallet. You just never know. So that's my second item that I always carry. And something else is a small mirror. This one's very thin. It's about the width of a 50-cent piece maybe here in America. Very thin. I've had this since 2014 because the year is actually printed on it. Love this thing. It fits in any kind of slim pockets. It's amazing. Love this. But you need a mirror, because you never know if you have something in your teeth. Now, I always carry dental floss. This is a bigger pack. I have a small mini one that's actually in the purse that I'm using this week. But I always have dental floss and this small mirror. Is that 4? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, cash, yeah. Lipstick or a chapstick. Now I don't just carry these in my bag. If I have them in another larger bag, that I have like a mini pochette, little zipper pouch that all this types of stuff go in there. But if I'm going to carry this one being so thin and doesn't hold a lot, I have a clear bag that I can put my lipstick in, chapstick, and then that's a lip liner. If this was to leak, it's not going to go anywhere but just stay inside this plastic. So I recommend getting these little plastic bags. It could be just a sandwich bag, anything. I believe I got these with this type of a ring on it. A pack of 10 for $1 something online. Can't remember if it was Temu or something like that, but it was very inexpensive for a whole pack, and I use the heck out of these. I use them for all kinds of things, but I always carry some kind of a lip product in every one of my handbags. And aspirins. Now, because I do carry some smaller bags, some larger bags, I only carry the aspirins in a small little container. You can find these little containers literally anywhere. Walgreens, CVS. If you're overseas in like London, I think they're called, stores called Boots. Very small. I mean, it's not any bigger really than my dental floss. And inside here I have my aspirins and then a mint. You never know when you're going to have bad breath, but it's nice to carry something like this with you so you have a little emergency kit. So those are 6 items. What was the 7th? Oh, my phone. And I'm filming on my phone. So that would be number 7. I always carry my phone. So these are 7 things that I have in every one of my handbags. We have the mirror. We have bag holders for the table. We carry cash, dental floss, aspirins and mints, and a lip product. You know, even if I don't have my hair done, don't have any makeup on, if I have a lip balm or lipstick on my lips, I'll still go into any store. So lip products to me are very important. This is something that I can't live without. And I have to say, I probably have, I have a little holder, clear holder that holds all of my lipsticks. I don't have any lip glosses, but they're all lipsticks. I can't remember if it holds 9 or if it holds 12, but it's completely full. So I have a shade in every color. So down below, I want you to tell me, what do you carry in every one of your bags? List one thing that you cannot live without, that it goes in every single handbag. I mean, I know that you have a, you know, your wallet, but put on there, you know, a comb or pen and paper. What do you carry in every one of your handbags? I would love to read your comments. How many times have you had a question in your brain? When did I buy that bag? How much did I spend on that bag? What are the measurements on that bag? I made a free handbag tracker for all my collections of my handbags, and I'm giving this away for free. I'll list it down below. It's the date that you acquired it. What did the bag come with? What are the sizes? What's the material? What year? And then how much did you pay for it? But how much is the retail? Where did you get the bag from? What's the name of the bag? All kinds of things on here. I printed this on my A5 paper because I have a planner and I just keep these with me inside the planner of all my handbags so that I know where all this stuff is. But you can print these off. Mine just happens to be on A5 paper that is yellow, but is a free gift from me to you. You just have to put in your email to be able to get into this but I promise I don't spam email anybody. So if you would like this, it is a free printable for you. Catch you on the next one.